from the Hyatt House at Anaheim Convention Center. We are here because we are staying for a 2-night stay. We are going to be heading to Disneyland. So I'm going to be trying out this hotel for the first time. Never stayed here before, but used a lot of the amenities that are attached to this building. So we'll get into all of that. So let's start with a room tour of what we have here. When we walk into the room, to our right, we are going to have the bathroom. So the bathroom is going to have a really nice large mirror over here. You have your sink, and then nice spacious bathroom here with a walk-in shower, which is really nice. So coming back out from the bathroom, you have a full-size mirror here, which is really nice to have, and may seem like something that every hotel has, but it's not. So something that I always look for. You also have your safe here. Sorry for my bags in front there. Your iron, a bag rack there, and then you also have some extra pillows and blankets there too. When you go out into the living space, you're going to have a king-size bed because we got the king-size bed standard room. And then over here, we actually have a couch, which is beautiful. Lots of space. You can hopefully see how large this room is and just how much space you have here. Across the way here, you have a kitchen setup, which I love that there is a microwave in here, as well as a coffee maker. And then when you open up this cabinet here, you have your refrigerator, and then you have some coffee, tea, and cups. I just love to see that we have a microwave because that's not something that you get at a lot of places. So it's really nice to have. TV here over our dressers. And then we have a desk set up on this side as well. So definitely a great room if you are going to be staying for an extended period of time and you need a little bit more space, or if you have kids where you know you're going to need a microwave, or if you just know you're going to need some of these extra amenities that they have in the room. Like I was saying before, there's a lot of amenities right around Hyatt House. So one of the things that they actually have for all of their guests is complimentary breakfast, which is really nice. So we will be taking advantage of that the next 2 mornings for sure. Even if you're just a person who likes to go grab coffee, you can go grab coffee, get ready, and then head out, which is really nice. The other thing that I love about the location of Hyatt House is that there's a Starbucks literally attached to it, and then right kind of over on the same block is going to be Walgreens. So super close walk. Everything's going to be right where you need it, which is nice to have. Other thing that I was really happy to hear when I did check in is that you do need to have your key. So be sure to grab your key when you walk in. They do also have an app that you can use the key through there, but you'll need your key in order to get into the building after hours. And then you also need your key in order to go up the elevator. So just something that's always nice to have, that extra level of security. Anaheim is a city, so you know you're not in Disney World, and no matter where you go, things can happen. So I love to see that extra level of security, definitely when I'm traveling for sure. The other thing that I'm really excited about for this location is just how close it is to Disneyland. So we're going to be heading over there soon. So I'm going to track that and see how long it takes me to walk. I will say I'm a quick walker, but I think that this is a great location for families that are looking for some place that's off property, but close enough that you can walk easily and safely. I always say to my families, make sure that you pick somewhere that you feel comfortable walking. There's going to be a lot of crowds that are walking at night from Disneyland back to the hotels. So it's normally a pretty safe thing to do. But you always just, you know, like we said, we like that extra level of security. So I'm excited to try this out, see how it goes so I can share it with you all. It took me about 7 to 10 minutes to walk over to Disneyland property from the Hyatt House each time, and it was really not a bad walk at all. I would just always make sure that I had somebody on the phone with me, and then I was walking at times that other people were walking as well. I really enjoyed my stay at the Hyatt House, and I think it's one that I would go back to again if I was staying off property. It was close by. I loved the fact that I had that microwave in the room, and also that we got that complimentary breakfast in the morning. If you have any questions about the Hyatt House at Anaheim Convention Center or would like to start planning your Disneyland vacation, be sure to reach out through the information below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.